जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Welcome back to your own channel AR Training Official. So today we are going to learn how to use subtract modifier in 3D Studio Max. Most of the students are facing problems in using subtract modifier, so I think there should be a separate video on it which explains how to use properly, uh, considering different techniques in 3D Studio Max. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply watch the video and try to follow my steps. I think this video will be a game changer for you if you really want to learn how to use properly subtract modifier in 3D Studio Max. So without wasting your time, let's jump into the video.